In this episode of Harbor Freight Review, we are going to be looking at the Icon 8-piece screwdriver set, item number 56508. This screwdriver set features oversized ergonomic chemical-resistant handles, machined magnetic tips made from S2 steel. It includes a nice storage tray and comes with a lifetime warranty.
Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about the Icon 8-piece screwdriver set. So the mechanic finally decided that it was about time he stopped borrowing all my screwdrivers. So he went out and bought the Icons and we're going to give him a review. So let's get this thing open and see what's up. First, I gotta say, the packaging, super nice. Not a reason why anyone buys a tool, but it is super nice. So one thing I will say about the Icon tools, which if you didn't know, we are giving away some Icon tools, so go ahead and subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a few Icon sets. So subscribe and you'll be entered to win in the free drawing. So one thing I'll say about the Icon tools is all of them come with really nice trays. So you don't have to worry about any kind of box organization. You just literally take it out of this box, throw it in your toolbox, and you're done. But overall, let's see, it comes with, I haven't even read the package yet, so we're going to kind of discover this together. Let's see, it comes with 4 flatheads and 4 Phillips. And it looks like it comes with 2 number 2s on the Phillips, a number 3, and a number 1. So it's got a number 2 stubby, a number 2 on regular size, number 1 regular size, and then a number 3, which is pretty hefty. It's probably about 13 inches long. And then on the flats, you have about the same setup. You got a stubby, 2 mid-size, and a long one. So right away, I can tell you, okay, these things are super magnetic. They're all trying to stick to each other, which is actually really nice. I hate non-magnetic screwdrivers. So let's see, we got some screws right here. Yeah, like I'm trying to get this thing to come off, and that's on the small one, and then on the big one, and I wasn't even in the screw. Yeah, it's got some pretty good magnetism to it. One thing I'll say that I immediately noticed when I unboxed these is these flathead screwdrivers are super nice. Like they are, I don't know what you call them, chisel cut, but they are smooth. And they just have really sharp, crisp angles on them. I hate that with the cheaper screwdriver sets. A lot of them, the molds are just so old from producing, millions of the same screwdriver, and they don't switch out their molds, that the screwdrivers become rounded and they always slip out. These nice chiseled flatheads on these is really nice. I feel like they'd grip really well. But overall, the grips feel good. They fit good in the hand. Pretty nice. Yeah, if you watched my previous screwdriver video, I bought myself a Quinn set to finally upgrade my screwdriver set because I've been using literally whatever was in my toolbox. Like if I had one of those cheap auto mechanic bit sets, I'd throw the screwdrivers in my toolbox, and I finally broke down and bought myself a nice set. And the Quinn set is very nice. But this Icon set, I think it was only about $15 more, and it's super nice. This is one of those one and done buy things. You probably wouldn't have to buy another set for your toolbox for the rest of your life, unless you are literally using them every day and you end up wearing them out. The other nice thing about the Icon screwdriver set is, if you see right here, it's got essentially like a nut on it, so you can actually get a wrench on there if you need some extra torque. So that's nice too. So overall, this is a pretty nice set. I definitely understand why he bought it. I've for things like screwdrivers, me particularly, I've never felt like spending real money on a screwdriver, except for I've probably gone through 10 or 20 Phillips screwdrivers in my life because I keep buying the cheap, like 50-cent dollar bin screwdrivers. So that's why I bought myself the Quinn set. And ultimately that's why the mechanic bought himself the Icon set, because he actually uses them a lot more in a mechanic sense than I do. So yeah, so pretty nice. I would definitely recommend them. I like them. All right, guys, let's talk about something serious. How does the Icon 8-piece screwdriver set fare in a zombie apocalypse? So screwdrivers are always useful. You always need a screwdriver. Also, these things make pretty decent hand weapons. If you think about it, like these flatheads would make pretty good stabbing implements. So, you know, you can get two of them going. Phillips, flat, double penetration. So overall, I mean, I think they make pretty good hand weapons, and there is some utility to them as well, because you always need a screwdriver repairing stuff, working on a vehicle, cleaning your gun if you needed to undo any screws on your gun set, setting your scope or something like that. So overall, I'd give them probably a 4. Maybe a 5. I mean, they do have some good hand weapons. You could definitely sharpen one of these down, make it a knife. If you had a file or something like that on you, you could make it into a knife, so you could, you know, skin an animal if you got one hunting. So yeah, no, definitely a 5. I like them, and overall, they're good tools too.
Hey everyone, just want to let you know I'm not affiliated with Harbor Freight, and they're not sponsoring me yet. I'm just doing this because I love Harbor Freight and all their tools. I've had lots of great experiences with them, and they're always helpful. The staff is really knowledgeable, and it's really, for the most part, the best bang for your buck. So just want to make it clear, definitely not sponsored yet, Harbor Freight. Call me. And I hope you all enjoy the videos.